Welcome back to our channel. So today we will talk about some job opportunity like Dell Technologies hiring for software engineering Bangalore location. Okay, let's talk about responsibility. So develop and maintain application using .NET, CS and NetCore. Okay, collaborate with team to define and deliver new feature and write clean scalable code and conduct code review. Debug and enhance existing software. Okay, optimize performance and ensure application quality, stay current with industry trend and technology. The requirement इसका है Bachelor in Computer Science related field, strong experience with .NET technology, familiar with front-end tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, React.js, and experience with database, SQL Server, and MySQL or ORM. Okay. Understanding of Align Scrum methodology, strong problem solving communication skills, and experience with cloud platform, AWS, Azure, and knowledge of microservice, Docker, Kubernetes, familiar with DevOps and CI/CD practice. Okay? So location is Bangalore and salary disclosed नहीं है. Working day over 5, but this is in office full time. Okay. So guys, अगर आप एलिजिबल हैं तो चाहिए और अप्लाई कीजिए, ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट जॉब जो है उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. So Oracle is hiring for software developer to for India location. Okay. This is the job category product development. Role individual coordinator, contributor. Job type is regular employee. Okay. Year of experience 0 to 2 year. So let's talk about why join us. Okay. So lead and innovate, drive to design and develop high distributed visualized networking application that power mission critical workload. Okay. Collaborate and grow. Okay. Make an impact. What we are looking for: 0 to 2 year experience of software engineering experience. Okay. A strong Java, C++, Scala, Bash scripting is a plus point, and function domain knowledge of IP networking protocol, Linux, experience with distributed system, SaaS, and hybrid cloud environment, and knowledge of Oracle, DB, and SQL is bonus. Self-driven, detail-oriented, and comfortable working in a agile, fast-moving team. Okay. So responsibilities: design, develop, and optimize high-performance, scalable cloud network solution, troubleshoot and debug complex system, and work across the full development life cycle: design, implement, test, deploy, monitoring critical service. Okay. So required skill होगा जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज एंड सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. क्वालिफिकेशन कैरियर लेवल IC2 होना चाहिए. ओके. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट जॉब नंबर 3. दिस इज द एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर इन ग्लोबल पेमेंट्स. लोकेशन इज पुणे महाराष्ट्र. एप्लीकेशन सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट पोजीशन है, फुल टाइम रोल के लिए. What part will you play? So develop basic code using front and back end programming language within a platform as dedicated for internal and external client software solution, and assist with basic application documentation, testing and validation as directed. Okay. Apply a basic understanding of procedure, methodology, application standard to include payment card. Okay. So qualification जो होना चाहिए BS in computer science, information technology and business or management information system. Okay. No experience required है. Preferred qualification जो है BS in Computer Science, Information Technology, Business Management, Information System related to, and professional experience in coding, design, developing, and analyze data. Describe a skill and capability. A skill, knowledge, learn 2 years professional concept, apply for company policy and procedure to resolve routine issues. Okay. So actually, operating system Linux, Microsoft Windows and tandem SP install. Database में design, familiar with DDL, DML, okay, MySQL server and IMS DB2 head head of. Backend technology Java, Python, .NET, Ruby, mainframe like that. Okay. Front end में HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JS query. वेब फ्रेमवर्क में वेब टेक्नोलॉजी लाइक Node.js, React.js, Angular, Redux लाइक दैट. अगर आप इन सब टेक्नोलॉजी में एक्सपीरियंस है, स्किल आपका अच्छा है, तो आप अप्लाई कीजिए और क्रैक कीजिए. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो गाइस.